Chongqing. Look how huge it is. My feet. Compare. It's huge, right? Oh, oh my god, I tried to get you. Now it's huge.
Wait.
Huh? Hey, you guys took I Show Speed through here. Oh.
Yes, yeah, you know, right?
Right here,
You
yeah.
got a banana from here.
Yeah, I remember. I remember.
Yeah, it took a banana from here.
Yeah.
And even do a short haircut down there.
Okay, okay. So I remember this tour. They took I Show Speed through this area. It looks so familiar. Oh, there's a lot of dogs in this area.
You know why we have a market here?
Why?
Because there was a oldest railway station in Chongqing down there.
Okay.
So a lot of people
Walk
visit
through.
Chongqing. They will walk through this area. So there's a market.
Yeah, so it has market, so everybody can grab
Yeah.
something to eat, buy what they need.
Yeah.
Okay.
You came through here.
Yeah.
You like to go inside to see that barber shop?
Yeah. Let's check it out.
Barber shop.
Oh, I remember he came. Yeah, right over here too. Yeah.
I never saw him do a haircut in here.
Yeah, this whole area is familiar. This is the barber shop here. Yeah. Alright.
You want to take a picture in front of it?
Nah, I got video. I got video, yeah. I don't know if you guys know who I Show Speed is, but he came through here. He even got a haircut over here. He walked through this whole area. So when we came down the stairs, I was like, it looked familiar. Oh, that's cool. Okay.
I'm surprised they didn't take like a picture and put him, make them viral.
Yeah, you should put a picture. Yeah.
But see, there's people like my husband who
Who
no
knows,
way,
yeah.
what is that? Don't know the place.
There's such a big ass. I bet such a big steer.
Is this
We have two
the-
options.
Whoa.
We have two options. First of all, we walk down here, take an escalator up,
Mm-hmm.
and the second option is we take the escalator up and take the escalator down and up.
Oh, we can. What, you want to go this way and escalator up?
Okay, we're good.
Yeah.
Your
Okay.
recommendation.
Remember how there's such a big steer, right?
Yeah. Wait, we're going escalator down and stairs up?
Yes.
Okay.
Wait, what?
Or would you rather do escalator back up?
Rather-
Yeah.
Hey, if we did Elaine Park and go to the top to the 7th floor, it just works. Okay.
So we're headed to check out this longest escalator here in Chongqing. I remember seeing videos about it. We're going to check it out. We're going to do it. Check out this super long escalator. All right, this is supposed to be the longest escalator in Chongqing. Check it out. Oh yeah. Man, that is a long escalator, huh? Yeah, it goes all the way down. Hon, you want to slide on the rail down?
One more.
I got readers. I got readers. That worked. The way up, it's better to take picture.
Oh, okay.
More bright.
Okay. Oh, it's pretty steep over here, yeah? I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but
Right
it's
side here, there's a big stairs.
Yes.
Stairs we saw before is right side there.
That's the stairs you said we're going?
Yeah, before this escalator, people have to go down stairs. See, you know, a lot of people from countryside, they want to have a good job in the city, so they would basically take everything they have to come to the center area. But the big question for them is that big stairs.
Yeah.
Basically, they take everything they have, the big suitcase, big bags.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's pretty hard for them.
That is crazy. It looks long, but actually when you get like halfway, you start to realize like, holy
Yeah, it will
smokes,
take
it's
2.5
super long.
minutes.
Temperature here.
All right, and that was a really long escalator, longest escalator in Chongqing.
Imagine living in that building. Living on the top. He walks outside from the window. Oh, there's a bus. Oh, high up. You are already doing it. That's incredible. Hey, look where you are already. Okay, people come here and take pictures. Is that one? Yeah, that's it.
That's the only overpass like
That was a 72 meters high
Yes.
overpass.
Yes. That's right. So, hey. It's like,
There it is.
almost there.
There it is. It's coming up.
3, 2, 1. See, now they reopen the hall.
I'm That's so cool.
They came alive. And that was the lights coming on right at 8:30, 7:30, Chongqing. So what's the name of this restaurant?
樱花肚 Hotpot.
Yinghua Hotpot.
And how to pronounce it? They have the English name on it.
Okay.
The
Crafted Chongqing.
the crafted Chongqing. The crafted? The crafted.
Crafted. All right. So we're having a hot pot here, having some dinner. Check it out.
Chongqing Hotpot.
Forget my yogurt.
Oh, that's the shrimp paste.
Yes.
This is pork,
Yes.
beef,
Roasted beef.
beef, tomato
Tomatoes.
base,
Yes.
spicy Sichuan pepper base.
Yes.
Then we still got the vegetables over here.
Yes.
Got the cabbage, pumpkin,
Bamboo.
bamboo, tofu.
Yes. Tofu is here. This one.
Oh, that's
That one. Oh, this is appetizer. Cucumber.
oh cucumber. Okay. Do you throw that in the hot stuff as well? So we got a feast. We're eating good tonight.